Hi, hello, welcome to my channel Kumar EduTech. Pituitary gland. The pituitary is the master gland of endocrine system. It is also called as hypophysis. Hypophysis. Hypo means below and physis means brain. This gland is present in below the brain is called as hypophysis. Pituitary is a pea-sized stalked gland present at the lower part of the hypothalamus. The pituitary gland is divided functionally into two parts, posterior and anterior pituitary. So the pituitary gland is divided functionally into two parts, posterior pituitary or neurohypophysis and anterior pituitary or adenohypophysis. So this is a posterior pituitary and this is a anterior pituitary. The posterior pituitary, also called as neurohypophysis, it has embryological organs in nervous tissue and is continued with the brain. Next, the anterior pituitary or adenohypophysis arises as a outgrowth of the roof of the embryonic oral cavity called Rothke's pouch. Anterior pituitary or adenohypophysis. Adenohypophysis consists of pars distalis and pars tuberculis. Distalis is a largest section and tuberculus is a collar of tissue that surrounds the infundibular stalk and pars intermedia. Pars intermedia, a narrow band that is usually separated from the pars distalis by a hypocele cleft. And posterior pituitary or neurohypophysis consists of pars nervosa and median eminence infundibular stalk. Adenohypophysis. It secretes six hormones. Namely growth hormone, thyroid stimulating hormone, adenocorticotrophin hormone, gonadotropins, and melanocytic stimulating hormone, and lastly prolactin. In this first growth hormone, it is a protein. It is also called as somatotrophin. It promotes growth of bones of fur and hind limbs. Fur limbs and hind limbs. Bones of growth. Overproduction of this hormone result in gigantia. In this condition, the affected person become tall and their height ranges from 7 to 9 feet. Then next one, thyroid stimulating hormone. Thyroid stimulating hormone or thyrotropin stimulates the thyroid, another endocrine gland. It stimulates thyroid, another endocrine gland, to release two of its own hormones, triiodothyronine and thyroxine. Thyroid hormones T3 and T4 hormones. T3 hormones is called as triiodothyronine and T4 hormone is called as thyroxine. Then going to next hormone, adenocorticotrophin hormone. It is also called as corticotrophin or adenocorticotrophin. Its target organ is adrenal gland. Adrenal gland. The outer region of the adrenal gland. It stimulates the production of a number of steroid hormones. That have various effects as discussed under adrenal gland. Then next, gonadotrophins. Gonadotrophins includes a group of sex hormones that stimulates gonads. testis and ovaries. Testis and ovaries. Ovaries in female, testis in males. Follicular stimulating hormone and LH. Follicular stimulating hormone and LH, luteinizing hormone, are the two principal gonadotrophins. Their function is to promote the production of sex hormones and male and female gametes. Male and female gametes. Then next to melanocytic stimulating hormone. It is also known as intermediate. Intermediate is produced by the intermediate lobe, which is completely fused with the adenohypophysis. It influences the dispersion of pigment granules in melanocytes, melanocytes, and regulates skin color in vertebrates. The pigment granules disperse throughout the cell and the skin become dark. This hormone is responsible for color change in the skin of some amphibians. Next to last and least, prolactin. It is also called as lactogenic hormone or luteotrophic hormone or luteotrophin. In humans, it controls the growth of mammary glands and milk production. Overproduction of prolactin results in galactorrhea, an abnormal condition characterized by higher milk production. In mammals, it also stimulates the production of the progesterone by the ovaries. The next going to hormones of neurohypophysis. The neurohypophysis stores and releases two neuropeptides, two neuropeptide hormones called as oxytocin and vasopressin. These hormones are produced by the neurosecretory cells of the hypothalamus and delivered to neurohypophysis via their axons. So first one, vasopressin. Vasopressin is also known as antidiuretic hormones, ADH. It increases reabsorption of water by the collecting ducts of nephrons. Collecting ducts of nephrons. ADH insufficient antidiuretic hormone can result in diabetes insipidus, a condition in which large amount of urine are produced. The next, oxytocin. Oxytocin controls sexual development. In human, it causes the contraction of the uterus at the time of childbirth. It also stimulates milk ejection from the breast of lacting women by causing the contraction of muscle fibers in the milk ducts. In human, oxytocin is responsible for maternal behavior. Maternal behavior. Next, oxytocin, also called as ejecting hormones. Ejecting hormones. Total pituitary gland. Pituitary gland divided into two parts, anterior pituitary and posterior pituitary. So anterior pituitary secretes six hormones: thyroid stimulating hormone, ACTH, LH, FSH, GH, and prolactin. And posterior pituitary secretes oxytocin and vasopressin. Total 8 hormones are released in pituitary gland.